This is how you crochet the shell stitch. Our beginning chain is going to be multiples of 6 plus 1, and we're going to add our first single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Then we're going to skip 2 chains and add 5 double crochet into the next one, and that is going to be our first shell. Now when I say that our beginning chain is multiples of 6 plus 1, that means that you can start your chain with any number that you like, as long as it is a multiple of 6, and then you add 1 chain for the turning chain. That means that you need at least 6 chains to complete a shell. After our 5th double crochet, we're going to skip 2 chains again, and then we're going to add a single crochet into the next. And then we're going to skip 2 again and put 5 double crochet into the next one. And we're going to repeat that until we end our row in a single crochet in the very last stitch. This stitch is especially pretty if you change colors after every row, but in this example, I'm only going to change colors after the second row. After we have our last single crochet, we're going to chain 3 for our turning chain, and that chain 3 is going to count as a stitch. So we're going to add 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and that'll be a half shell. And from there, we're just going to repeat the same thing as in row 1. We're going to skip 2 stitches, add a single crochet, skip 2 more stitches, and add 5 double crochet. And the single crochet should end up on top of the shells, and the double crochet should end up on top of the single crochets from the previous row. If you like these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow. I post them every single day on my page. And if you have any questions or would like to request a stitch, just leave a comment below and I'll add it to my list. At the end of this row, we are going to change colors. It's going to be a quick version. I have a whole nother video planned on actual color work. So if you'd like me to tag it in the comments below whenever it's ready, just let me know. But here I'm going to add 3 double crochet into the very last stitch. But for the 3rd double crochet, I'm only going to start it. So I'm going to start the stitch here, and now I'm going to finish it with my new color. Once I yarn over and pull through both loops, I'm going to give it a gentle tug with the original color. Then I'm going to chain 1 to keep it in place and work row 3 the same way I did the first row. Happy hooking!